Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Bucharest, Romania, and I'm at the Choral Temple. And it's a Jewish temple here, and it's supposed to be pretty nice. So let's go and take a look. I don't know. We'll see. So this is it, and it's a historic site. And you can see it there, and it's Choral Temple, architects, blah blah blah, 1864 to 1867. And I am in the Jewish area, the neighborhood. Cool. Okay. Well, that's interesting. What's that? No what? No inside? Okay, so you have to pay 20 to get inside.
Băi, ce faceți cu ăsta aici?
Nu mă interesează pe mine, mă.
Cum nu te interesează?
Pe mine absolut deloc.
Go ahead.
Băi, veni și lua scara!
Please. Gil, hai!
Where are you from?
Arizona.
Arizona. Welcome.
Thank you.
I will speak Italian with my Italian guest. And we're working a bit to we're preparing for a wedding tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
So you can take pictures, relax.
Okay.
Okay, I'll be right back with the pictures. I continue in Italian, my guest in Italy. If they speak English, I'll switch to English, but I'm not sure.
Okay. Okay, no problem.
Take your time.
Thank you. Okay. So this is the Choral Temple. And the ceiling's amazing. It's all painted. And as he said, they're getting ready for a wedding, so. The stained glass up there is pretty amazing. Oh, thank you. So I bought the ticket, and here's what the ticket says. Templul Coral bin or din Bucharesti.
Ce e asta? E pentru telefon? Cum e asta?
Uh-huh.
Și vede pe telefon. Asta e ca un fel de
Pictures.
pictures. Nu are legătură cu telefonul.
I take them both.
Two pictures.
Yes. Yeah. Dual. Two better pictures.
How is his name? What name have?
DJI Pocket.
DJ?
DJI Pocket.
DJI Pocket.
So watch. It does gimbal. So watch.
Oh, super nice.
Yeah. There you go. Now you're on YouTube.
E pentru YouTube?
Yes.
What channel is? What channel?
Eric Clark Travel Videos.
Eric Clark Travel.
Yes. So here I'll show you. Eric Clark Travel Videos.
Oh, nice.
Yes. So you're getting ready for a wedding.
For wedding, ready.
Yeah. Huh.
From what country?
Arizona, America.
America.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Very nice. Yes. It's very pretty.
Yes, beautiful, very beautiful.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
I guess with the $20 you get a tour. And so is the temple a synagogue too? Can it be the same? Because right, most of them are synagogues, right? Not temples, but I don't know. So let's see. It says Temple, Choral Temple, Monument Historic, and then it has the information. Oh, here we go. This is English. 1857 sells his place in the Stelbit suburb. And hit pause as needed, everybody. You know the routine. Expansion of the temple conference room, ground layer, prayer hall, and library floors. The building is damaged during the earthquake in March 1940, devastating during the original decay. The temple has 3,215 members. Their numbers decreased in the next decade due to immigration to Israel. The building is devastated before the religious service of Rosh Hashanah. Consolidation work, okay. And they have diplomacy and documents. And I guess, November Berlin. Huh. Very cool. I wonder if you can go upstairs. Let's go check. I think I can go this way. That looks like downstairs. Yep, that's only downstairs. I don't know if they have an upstairs. Maybe. Did I miss a door over here or something? No. And this, what's this one say? Entrance, exit? Zaire. Is this up or down? This is down as well. So, okay. Huh. Okay, everybody. Very cool. I'm going to take one more picture of the ceiling here. Very cool. Okay. That's it for me, everybody. Bye-bye.